to another Gardener Gone Wild Lockdown Special. As you can see, we have Mr. Big Duck with us again, and these photos that I'm about to show you are from a trip when I went down to the Waikanae Estuary not long before the lockdowny stuff happened. And as this critter knows, the Waikanae Estuary is a great place to go, even though he's never been there. He only stays in the backyard. And along with the photos, there's also a driftwood wall I built there, and so there'll be some photos of that as well. So yeah, because of all this lockdowny stuff, I haven't really been there since, but I'll be going there very soon, and enjoy.